Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ktalnews.com and your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Monday morning forecast update. We are catching the tail end of a storm system here this morning. Quick shot of rain before sunrise for most of us, and then clearing. And actually should be pleasant this afternoon. You'll feel some wind this morning, but a very active weather week. It is looking likely that we are going to see a pretty significant severe weather outbreak here on Thursday. I'll get through today's stuff pretty quickly so we can spend some time talking about Thursday here in just a moment, but just kind of imprint Thursday in your mind today, as we'll be talking about that for much of the week, as it looks like we can see our really first spring-like severe weather outbreak of the season here. And you can see this morning we've had some rain, some isolated storms moving through. We'll see this rain into Shreveport likely between 5 and 6 a.m. this morning, and I think between about 7:30 and 8:30 we should see the last of these showers kind of pushing out of Sabine as well as Natchitoches parishes. So the rain doesn't have staying power today. We'll actually clear out pretty quickly behind this front, which did bring some significant severe weather late last night up towards Oklahoma City, Norman, Oklahoma as well. So a lot of damage up in Oklahoma with those storms. Fortunately, the storms were not severe in the Arklatex, but we're feeling a bit of a cool down in the northern Arklatex this morning. You're in the 50s, and looks like most of us will either settle into the 50s and 60s at sunrise, and your high temperatures today will wind up in the 70s this afternoon. It is going to be quite breezy through about lunchtime today. Those winds will be out of the west, sometimes gusting maybe to 30 to 35 miles per hour. So the first half of the day we do have a wind advisory in effect, but we should see those winds die down after lunchtime. So again, outdoor plans for the afternoon looking much better with the light wind this afternoon. Plenty of sun out there and those comfortable temperatures as well. So taking a look at the severe weather risk this week. Tomorrow will be a quiet and warm day. Wednesday will be round one of potential severe weather. It's kind of low end potential here, but we'll likely have a warm front that scoots through during the day. And anytime you get those warm fronts, you can sometimes get some wind and hail. So can't rule out some wind and hail, especially Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday evening. And the most significant severe weather this week will likely be on Thursday. You can see the Storm Prediction Center already has drawn a good portion of the Arklatex into their level 3 enhanced risk outlook. And as we continue through the week and confidence grows, definitely could see a maybe level 4 somewhere. But that's kind of outbreak territory here where the confidence is high in severe storms. Again, I don't like to kind of hype these things up until we're in that 3-day window. We're 4 days out now, but this has all the kind of telltale signs of some significant severe weather, including some damaging wind gusts, tornadoes, and likely some large hail as well, as there's a lot of cold air coming in with this system, so we could definitely see some hail with those storms late this week as well. So we'll pick things up Wednesday. You can see that warm front spilling through during the afternoon. I'm not as concerned about significant severe weather Wednesday as I am Thursday. Thursday we'll have that chance to warm up all day, and then that cold front will get here late in the afternoon, early in the evening when those temperatures are at their warmest. So that's why the confidence is fairly high that we will see those storms pop up Thursday. So really Thursday afternoon through Thursday night. In fact, we could see some of these storms spill into early Friday morning here, and you can see just how strong that front is. We'll have those spring-like temperatures through Thursday, and then once that front rolls through, we drop into the 50s on Friday. It looks to be another pleasant weekend. We've had a nice run of weekends so far this month, and looking forward to the upcoming weekend. Looks dry as well, with highs in the 60s and low 70s.